Hey guys, Star here. I'm going to show you how to customize your system emails. You'll be able to customize your welcome email, your verification code email, as well as your reset password email. Let's say that you're an attorney and you have to have specific language in your emails that are being sent out. Maybe you're a coach and you want to have your branding colors in your emails that are going out. If you're interested in customizing your system emails, then this video is for you. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to want to be on the sub account level, and on the left hand side, we're just going to scroll down to settings. Once you click on settings, you'll have another list of options, and we're going to select system emails. Now that we're in system emails, you'll see that we have a couple of options. We have user management and we have settings. Let's take a look at user management. So here you'll see that you'll be able to work on customizing your welcome email template, your reset password email template, as well as your verification code email template. Let's go ahead and preview what the welcome email template will look like. Now the template is already amazing within itself. It has the logo, it has a customized email that actually lets the user know that their account is ready and active. And it also has a blue call to action button that says click here to log in. Now let's take a look at the reset password email template. It also has a logo. It'll also send an email to the user so that they can actually reset their password. And we have the verification code email template. And this one is customized with the logo, and it'll send them a one-time password. Now let's suppose that you want to customize this email. You're going to want to go ahead and click on the blue button for the email that you want to change. So we're going to go ahead and change the welcome email template to our own custom template. The first thing that you're going to want to do is select the sub account where you will manage these email templates. Now that you've selected the sub account, you'll have a template path, and you can also select the email template that you want to change. In this case, we're going to go ahead and change this default template. So we'll select change. Now we're going to head on over to the sub account so that we can customize that email. Once you're on the sub account level, you're going to want to click on marketing on the left hand side. Then at the top, you'll see emails. Under emails, you'll have campaigns and templates. Let's select template. Now that you've selected templates, we're going to go ahead and click on the blue plus new button. And you'll see that we have email marketing templates. Here you're going to see where we host the system template. If you scroll down, you'll see that we have the welcome email template. We also have the reset password email template, as well as the verification code template. Let's go ahead and customize the welcome email. So we're going to select that email, and then we're going to hit the blue button at the top right and continue. This will go ahead and open up this template for you in the email builder. Now that the email builder is open, you'll see our original email template. You can go ahead and change the logo, you can change the text, the copy, what it says, and you can change the call to action button. But I want to point out on the left-hand side that you have a variety of elements. This allows for further customization. You have text, images, button, logo, divider, social media icons, and so much more. All you have to do is simply drag and drop these elements so that you can fully customize your email template. Then at the top right, you're going to go ahead and click Save Template. Now you have your own custom template for your system emails. Now we're going to head on over to the agency level again. Click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, we're going to go ahead and select System Emails once again. Now, I really love this feature because if you want to quickly customize your email templates, all you have to do is click on Settings. Once you click on Settings here, under the System Email User Management, you'll be able to remove your logo, you can update your logo, and you can actually customize the color of your call to action button. So currently we have this blue color. If you want to change that, all you're going to do is select the circle and go ahead and put in the branding color of your choice. Now you can customize these in a very simple manner by uploading your logo and changing the color of the call to action button. So let's take a look at it. Now, if we were to preview our template, you can see that we actually have that pink call to action button. So go ahead and customize your system emails for a fully customized branded user experience.